Reggae, a rhythm that speaks to the soul, a sound that crosses oceans and cultures. But where did it all begin? To truly understand reggae, you have to travel back to the heart of the Caribbean, Jamaica. Before reggae, there was mento, a local funk sound. Then came ska in the 1950s, upbeats full of horns and joy. From ska evolved rocksteady, slower, deeper, and more emotional. And out of rocksteady, reggae was born in the late 1960s. The word reggae itself was popularized by a song titled Do the Reggae by Tosh and the Metals in 1968. That moment marked the official birth of the genre. Reggae wasn't just music, it was a movement, a voice for the poor, the oppressed, and the forgotten. Its lyrics spoke of struggle, peace, and freedom, rooted deeply in Rastafarian beliefs. Legends like Toots Herbert, Jimmy Cliff, Benuela, Peter Tosh, and the man who carried reggae to the world, Robert Nesta Marley, known to all as Bob Marley. Bob Marley's journey with reggae began in the tough streets of Trench Town. It was there that he learned to play the guitar, taught by a man named Joe Higgs, a local musician who mentored him and other young artists like Benuela and Peter Tosh. Together, they formed the Wailers, a group that would change the sound of music forever. Songs like Simmer Down, Stir It Up, and Get Up, Stand Up gave a new voice to the people. By the 1970s, reggae had become Jamaica's heartbeat, and Bob Marley, its global ambassador. Through his music, he preached unity, love, and resistance. His message echoed worldwide: one love, one heart. Today, reggae continues to inspire generations from Africa to America, Europe to Asia. It gave birth to dancehall, roots reggae, and even influenced hip-hop and Afrobeat. Reggae is more than sound, it's spirit, a rhythm that heals, a message that unites, and a legacy that lives on. This is the story of reggae, the sound of freedom that started in Jamaica and now lives in the hearts of the world. If you are inspired by this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Thank you.